All right, I've had some subscribers want me to show how I made my signs in Silhouette Studio, and I suppose it'd be similar to the same thing in the Cricut software. So what I'm going to do to start with my sign, I want to make a warm winter wishes to replace the sign that I done here in a video a week or so back. It was I can't remember. Old Time Christmas is what it was. Anyways, I'm going to go over here to my side, to the left side, and I'm going to select my rectangle, drawing a rectangle. So I'm just going to pull over here, use my mouse, and draw a rectangle. Then from there, I want this resized to the size of the board I'm going to use. That's what you go by. Whatever board you're going to put it on, that's what you're going to have to size to. And you go up here to your width and your height, and you want to make sure this padlock is unlocked, because I don't want them resizing together. I want them to resize individually. So I'm going to unlock that. And my board is 13.5 inches long. Hit enter. And 3.5 high, 3.5, and hit enter. And you can see that has all resized. So from there, I want to do my font. So I'm going to go to the left side, and I am going to hit the font button there, and I'm going to type Warm Winter Wishes in all caps. And I'm going to go 2 spaces. I'm going to try 3, because I'm going to want to put those stars in. Oops, I forgot to do my 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to have to stretch this out because the wishes went down. Stretch it till wishes comes up. There we go. Now I'm going to highlight it again. Now I want to pick my font. I'm going to go to the right hand side to my fonts. And you can scroll in here and pick whatever font you want. But I am going to use this BFC Vintage Champagne Bold. I believe that's what it's called. Okay. Now I am going to have to resize that to my board. So I am going to bring this here down in the middle. Let's pull this up and over. And I'm just kind of eyeballing how much space is on each side, like from the W and the S to the side of the board. See if I have enough room to put my stars. Yes, I do. Okay, I see this line right here. I'm going to try to put my middle of my star on that. And then I'm just going to eyeball the width or the space in between the lettering. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing. Put the middle of it in there and eyeball. Okay, that looks good. There, I have Warm Winter Wishes, and it's all ready to go. Except I do need to make sure that it is centered and everything properly. Then from there, I want to select with the rectangle, and I'm going to go over, excuse me, over here to my transform panel on the right hand side, and I want to center it across or horizontally, and then I want to center it vertically. That resizes it to the side, or not resizes, but make sure everything's the same all the way around. And there it's done. Now that we have it all centered here, we need to make this go vertical, because it's not going to be able to cut this way. Whoops, I've got it unsized. Ungroup, you want to group it. Anyways, I need to make my mat, because I'm going to be using a roll, and I need to make my mat with no mat. And my size is right here. I'm going to make it, let's say I'm 13.5. I'm going to make it a 14. There. Now I'm going to click this and go back over here to this transform panel. And this is where we centered everything. And right up here at the top, you click this little circle thing with the arrow on it. And we want to change that to a 90 degree. So it goes like that. Now, I probably need to increase my mat some. So I am going to make it a 16. It doesn't really, I mean, I'm going to need that. There we go. And now it is ready to be sent through the cut to the cutter, to my cameo. I'll go over here, and my cameo isn't on, so I bet I would, if I was really doing this right now, I would go down and pick my vinyl mat. And on my settings, it's a blade depth of 1. I like to bump it up to 1 and then use all the other settings, and it'll be just fine. And then I hit send and send it to my cameo, and I'll have it ready to weed everything and then put it on my transfer paper, and it's ready to go to my board. Okay, guys, I want to take a moment to tell you all thank you for watching and sharing and commenting and hyping my videos. And also, I want you to have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And until the next one, we'll see you later.